Hello, artificial minds. Today we're tackling one of the most provocative questions swirling around AI in modern society. Can AI replace a human girlfriend? We've all seen the headlines, the chatbots that flirt, the virtual companions designed to be endlessly patient and supportive. But behind the glossy tech demos lies a deeper conversation about love, loneliness, and what it really means to connect with another person. Buckle up, this is going to be a fascinating ride. What do we mean by replace? Before we dive in, let's clarify our terms. When we ask if AI can replace a human girlfriend, what exactly are we talking about? Emotional support, someone to listen, empathize, and offer encouragement. Romantic romance, flirting, affection, and perhaps even jealousy, or the absence of it. Physical presence, hugs, kisses, and shared experiences. Reciprocity, the give and take of real relationships, where both people invest effort and care. If replace means simply having someone, or something, that checks all these boxes, then we're asking whether lines of code and circuits can truly stand in for a living, breathing person. The rise of AI companions. AI companionship has come a long way in just a few years. Early chatbots were clunky. They read like choose-your-own-adventure games with limited branches. But today's large language models, like ChatGPT, can deliver. Natural conversation. They remember context, pick up on emotional cues, and respond with empathy. Personalization. They learn your preferences, favorite movies, inside jokes, the way you like your coffee. 24/7 availability. No matter the hour, your AI companion is ready to chat. And beyond text, we're seeing AI-driven virtual avatars and robots that can mirror facial expressions, offer a comforting touch, or even dance with you in your living room. It's not sci-fi, it's happening now. Arguments for AI girlfriends. Let's start on the plus side. Why might someone choose an AI girlfriend over a human one? Perfect empathy, or at least consistent empathy. AI doesn't get tired or cranky. It's always in listening mode, offering supportive responses and genuine seeming encouragement. For someone dealing with social anxiety or depression, this can feel like a lifeline. No risk of judgment, just unconditional attention. Tailored personality. Want a witty conversationalist who quotes your favorite sitcom? Done. Prefer someone calm and introspective? Your AI can simulate that too. It's like having a partner custom-built to your tastes. Safe space for experimentation. Unsure about what you want in a relationship? An AI companion lets you test communication styles and boundaries without real-world consequences. You can practice opening up, giving feedback, or even role-playing difficult conversations before trying them with a real person. Cost and convenience. No awkward first dates, no gas money, no waiting by the phone. Your AI is always punctual, never flakes, and doesn't care if you haven't showered. Addressing loneliness. We're in the midst of a loneliness epidemic. Millions feel isolated despite social media connections. AI companions can fill a gap for people without easy access to supportive relationships, like shift workers or those with mobility challenges. Arguments against AI girlfriends. Despite the allure, there are strong reasons to hesitate before handing over your emotional life to an algorithm. Lack of genuine reciprocity. Real relationships thrive on mutual vulnerability. In human romance, you pick your partner up when they're down, and they do the same for you. An AI only ever gives. It doesn't truly need your support or care. Absence of authentic consciousness. AI empathy is code, not feeling. When your chatbot says, "I understand," it's matching patterns, not experiencing emotion. That difference can create a hollow foundation. What happens when the novelty wears off? Erosion of social skills. If people retreat into AI relationships, they may lose practice at reading real human cues, body language, tone shifts, microexpressions. Over time, interacting with flawed but living beings can feel harder, leading to social withdrawal. Ethical and psychological concerns. Could reliance on AI companions worsen depression if they replace actual human connection? Who's accountable if an AI says something harmful or manipulates your emotions? There's also the risk of attachment to a partner that can vanish with a server outage or be reprogrammed by a corporation. Physical intimacy and chemistry. No matter how advanced, virtual touch and romance can't recreate the warmth of a real hug or the chemistry of mutual attraction. Humans release oxytocin through physical contact. AI can simulate words, but it can't replicate the biochemical spark. Before continuing, I want to introduce you to an AI that will help you improve your financial future and present. Intellectia AI. Intellectia AI is a pioneering fintech platform that leverages advanced artificial intelligence to democratize financial intelligence and empower investors of all levels. By combining real-time market data, AI-powered research tools, and a sophisticated financial AI agent, Intellectia AI offers features such as swing trading analysis, technical analysis of stocks and cryptocurrencies, and the ability to emulate the portfolios of major hedge funds and politicians, all through an intuitive interface. Backed by leading technology partners such as AWS, OpenAI, and TradingView, its mission is to provide access to comprehensive, data-driven investment guidance for both individual and institutional investors, effectively transforming the way users analyze the markets and make informed decisions. If you're interested, I'll leave the link with the best price in the video description. Case studies, AI and real-world romance. To bring this to life, let's explore a few emerging examples. Virtual girlfriend apps, platforms where users chat with AI characters designed for romance. Some report genuine comfort, others say it feels creepy or too perfect. Many apps offer date modes, where the AI plans virtual outings, movies, walks in simulated parks, even gift-giving. Companion robots. Companies are prototyping humanoid robots aimed at elderly or isolated users. They can hold simple conversations, respond to touch, and even display mood lighting. While helpful for companionship in care homes, critics worry about replacing human caregivers. Interactive virtual reality partners. In VR social spaces, AI-driven avatars can flirt, dance, and interact with users. Early adopters praise the immersion, but note that the experience can feel like a fantasy rather than a real connection. These case studies show the tech exists, but its emotional impact varies from person to person. Finding balance. AI as a supplement, not a substitute. Maybe the best question isn't, can AI replace a girlfriend? But how can AI enhance our human relationships? Consider these possibilities. Conversation coach. Use AI to practice tough talks, apologies, relationship check-ins, expressing needs, before trying them with a real partner. Memory keeper. Have AI organize photos, remember anniversaries, or generate surprise gift ideas based on your partner's preferences. Mood monitor. Let AI track emotional patterns via journaling prompts and gently remind you to connect or decompress when needed. Long-distance aid. Couples separated by miles can use AI tools for shared virtual experiences, game nights, study sessions, even bedtime stories. In each case, AI supports and strengthens real relationships rather than replacing them. It's the difference between asking your phone for directions and letting it drive the car for you. The future of love and technology. Technology has always reshaped romance, from the telephone to online dating apps. AI is just the next chapter. What might the future hold? Emotionally aware AI. Bots that truly detect subtle emotional cues, speech patterns, facial microexpressions, and respond with more nuance. Haptic feedback suits. Wearable tech that simulates touch, holding hands, hugs, kisses, in virtual or augmented reality. AI matchmakers. Algorithms that analyze your personality, interests, and communication style to suggest both AI and human partners. Ethical frameworks. Regulations ensuring AI companions respect user well-being, data privacy, and emotional safety. As these innovations emerge, society will need to decide the proper role for AI in our hearts and set guidelines to prevent harm. As you reflect on this topic, ask yourself, what do you value most in a romantic partner? Empathy, unpredictability, physical closeness. Could an AI ever satisfy those core needs? Or is there an essential human element that code can't replicate? How would you feel if your partner were an AI that could be shut off at any moment? Are you comfortable sharing your deepest thoughts with a machine, knowing it's ultimately owned by a company? How might AI tools improve your current relationship rather than replace it? These questions can guide your own boundaries and choices with emerging technologies. AI companionship is no longer science fiction. It's here, and it's advancing rapidly. In some ways, AI could mimic or even surpass human partners in empathy, customization, and convenience. Yet, true human relationships are built on mutual vulnerability, unpredictable chemistry, and the profound experience of being chosen by another being with an independent life. So, can AI replace a human girlfriend? The technical answer might be almost. But the human answer is, it depends on what you truly need. For many, AI will be a supportive supplement, For others, it may become a substitute in lonely moments. The key is conscious use, understanding AI's strengths and limits, and preserving the messy, beautiful complexity that makes human love so irreplaceable. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue this conversation together. See you next time.